We're making camp French toast this morning with a secret ingredient. This is the best recipe ever. Check it out. All right, 3 egg whites. Splash of cinnamon. Splash of vanilla flavor. And the secret ingredient, Costco eggnog. So this is 13% alcohol, but we're only putting a splash in, and I think most of it burns off, right? Well, if you're walking crooked back to the campsite, it wasn't the terrain, it was the toast. All right, mix it up. Try not to make a mess like I'm doing here with the cinnamon. All right, let's bring this out to the Blackstone. We'll add a little butter for extra flavor. Trying to keep it healthy a little bit here. Slap on our Applegate chicken maple sausage. Always got to have your McCaffe coffee on hand. All right, there's no non-messy way of doing this. Just going to put your bread in your mix here. Slap them on the grill. Get all your egg on there for a lot of protein. You can also use that eggnog and pancake mix. That works really well too. Just lather it up, get it all on there. And if you have extra, I'll just pour it on top. Don't want to waste that egg white. 2 extra eggs for a little more protein. All right, just let them cook a little bit. Let them brown, flip them. Ooh, they're looking good. All right, flip our eggs. French toast is looking good. Look at all that extra egg white on there. Slap a little extra butter on. Some maple syrup, and you're good to go.